What's up, YouTube? Alright, today or tonight's project, since I just finished doing the fuel pump, I had to take the back seat out, which means I had to take the baby seat out. So what I'm going to do now is put the baby seat back in. So this is a Graco child seat. So I already put the car seat liner protector kind of deal in here. If you have little kids, you know this is you need this. This thing still leaves my seats nice and clean. This thing gets filthy. Like, I actually need to wash this, but I ain't gonna deal with this right now. Next time I take this apart, I'll take care of that. So in the Q50, and pretty much all cars, pretty much all new cars have this. So right here, you see a little opening, and it has a black bar. That black bar is for the latch, which you'll see the little symbol right here. And I need to clean this. I'll clean that in a minute. And this. And then on this one, there's another one right here. So the latch is on the car seat, which are these, the little, like little seatbelt clips. They connect in here. So with these cars, so my kid's only 2.5 years old, so she has to still face backwards. We got that Graco with the extended leg because she's tall. She's only 2.5 and she's already over 3 feet tall. So it is what it is. Alright, so basically each car seat has its own instructions. It'll tell you to do one of the latches first, whichever one it is. On this one, it's the south side one. So what you do is you take the latch, you find the opening, which is down there. Position the car seat where you need it. So the seat's kind of like that. Then just push this in till you hear it click. Alright, so you know that's in place. And kind of position the seat to where you need it to be. Then you go around to the other side. This is the main latch. As you see, this is the one that has a strap to adjust the tightness. And here's the other clip. This other clip goes on this opening right here. All right, simple as that. Then you just pull on this, just to tighten it down a little bit. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you what I'm doing because I'm holding the phone. But this isn't enough, just so you know, because look at this. Car seat's moving all over the place. So basically what you do is you need to push down, put as much force as you can, pushing down on the car seat in the middle, while at the same time pulling this strap. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned after doing this a couple of times that helps with that. So let me go grab my extension. All right. So what I do is I take a thick extension bar. This is a 1/4 inch extension. A nice thick one. It's a 6-inch long. Something that you could put through like this. You can grab with both arms, one hand on this side, one hand on this side. And then you basically put, if you could maneuver yourself, depending on how tall you are. I'm 6'2". It's kind of a pain in the ass to do this, but you can do it. So you basically put your foot right in the middle right here. and then position yourself to where you could get leverage on the belts, and then you just pull with all your might until the car seat is nice and snug. There's barely no movement whatsoever in where it sits. And with these car seats, they have a little meter right here, so depending on the age of the kid, it lets you know whether it's level or not. So just to kind of give you an idea of how you're going to do it, you're going to actually be pulling up with it, because you see how the belt is. If you pull out, it's not really going to get snug, so you want to pull up, and then it'll start tightening. But because there's no weight on the seat right now, it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to put some weight on it and show you how it is at the end. All right, so to kind of show you how I did this. So you got the strap here, right? Then, see if I could this. What I did, this is from the passenger side. I put one foot in like this. Grab this bar, but with both hands, one on this side, one on this side, and then push down with my leg. I actually kind of got up in the car and pushed straight down, and then pull. Now, after you're in, seat ain't going nowhere. And that's the seat. And this is just all my other junk. The interior is not normally this dirty. It's just I'm doing a bunch of stuff in it today, so slide back. So now, passenger got plenty of leg room. Let's see. All right, so we're in. New fuel pump is working nice and good. I still can't clean this crap off. That's like, I cleaned the interior with some cleaner, and I just forgot to wipe down the dash, and it just kind of, whoops. All right, and it just basically stained the plastic, and I only noticed it at nighttime, but still, it's there. One of these days I'll find something that could clean it off.